Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35, and that will actually get you $7 off the box. Alright, so look at this. The theme is Spring Blooms. This is really pretty how they did this. I just wish that they put the month of the box and the year on the box. That would be really nice. So here's everything we are getting. Okay, here's the codes if you'd like to reorder any of these, and you have to reorder them here at dollarbead.com. But look at the picture. Again, there's always something in here I don't see in the box, and it's usually something that I really love. And I gotta say, these charms here, these connectors, are really amazing. I'm excited about those. And this strand here, the yellow with the splatter paint, that looks really pretty. So, let's open it. Oh wow. This looks fun. Oh, those are big. I thought they were going to be smaller for some reason. Here's the yellow ones. These are big too. I love these. These are adorable. Okay, I think I know what I would do with them already. Oh, there's more seed beads here. I don't have this color, and I don't have this color. In my stash, I do not. In any sizes. Okay, let's take this off here. Okay, let's go over the list. They usually put the biggest stuff at the top. Bags are last. And, oh, is that another charm? Oh my gosh, it's a daisy connector. That's precious. Look at that. That's really cute. Those are cool. Okay, so those are 10. These are 10. These are 10, but it looks like my strand's busted? I don't know what's going on. It's like I have a partial strand or something. These are pretty. It's like a teal color. Okay, I'm just going to put those on there for now. But those are the larger beads. And then there's 8. Wow, these are really pretty. I like those. These are 8s. Wow, huge strands. Huge. Those are 8s. That's a shorter strand. These are 6s, and these are 6s. And this is a crackle bead. I haven't seen this one yet. I always see the transparent one, but this is not transparent. It's milky. Okay, to the list. 10mm Celebration Abstract Glass Bead. That's probably going to be this. And then it's 10mm Meadow Abstract Glass Bead. Yeah, that's not going to make any sense. And then a drizzle. One's 6 inches, one is 8 inches. Oh, so it could actually be, this one. So it's either this one or this one. Okay? I really like this one. It's very happy. It's party-like. It's very cute. See how the green and pink is metallic on the bead? That's cool. And this, I think, might be the meadow one. Or maybe it's that. Only they know. This is a drizzle bead. Do you see the... It's really, there's drizzle patterns on it. Like drizzle paint. Wow, that green is so gorgeous. Yeah, and this is a yellowish gold. Yeah, those are cool. And then it is the 10mm. Wait till I screw it. Oh, drizzle was the third one. Drizzled green gold glass bead. So that was the third strand. So maybe this was the meadow. I don't know. Celebration and Meadow. I'm trying to find the end of this. Oh, there it is. So this doesn't make sense because one was 6 inches, one was 8 inches. It's cut. Okay, there's a knot on this end. But why do I have that short strand there? I don't know why. These look really metallic from a distance, but looking up close, it has a teal color with pink and silver stripes on it. They're very pretty. Okay, here's a little short strand of this. Oh, I'll just run this through here. Okay. And then after that, 8mm. It says Femme Jade Style. Femme, what does that mean? Maybe it's Fern. No, it says Femme, but I think they meant Fern. Jade Style glass bead. 16-inch string. So that's this one. This one's really pretty. I think the bead is milky inside. Yes, it is. You can tell from the hole. And then they put this beautiful green color on it. It kind of makes it look like aventurine or jade, but it's really glowy from the inside. It's very beautiful. And then 8mm light green marble style glass bead. That's this one. This is long strand. That one's long too. They're 16 inches. This one's really pretty. I've got this yellow one before in an 8 and I really liked it, but it's even prettier in the green. I have this thing for pale green. I really do. I love it. And then this will probably be last. Yes, 8mm carnelian citrine duo style glass bead. 10-inch string. This is very nice. See the crackling in it? And then there's orange marks that also add to the crackling effect. It kind of does look like a gemstone. It's very pretty. And 6mm yellow marble style glass bead. 16-inch string. And that's this here. This makes me think of egg salad, which I actually just ate for lunch. And then 6mm hot pink gemstone style glass bead. 10-inch string. So I've gotten hot pink crackle beads a lot, and I love pink, but I'm not actually that crazy about them. But those were crystal clear, like that you could see through them, right, glass. But this one is milky, and it looks really interesting. Look at how pink it looks. It looks even more pink, I guess because it's milky inside. But it's a really cool looking bead. You know what? It's gonna look awesome with this strand and this one here. I'll grab the short one. Look at that. Those are cute. Okay, after that, I just went through all the strands. 6/0 soft green glass seed beads. So I think there's a dye on the bead, because if you look at the holes, see how dark the holes are? Oh, you can't tell. I'll get my scooper. I see this kind of color a lot in check glass, but these aren't check. These are the cheaper, I guess, Chinese beads. See the inside of the hole is really lime green. The colors in the hole. Look at these two. Actually, it's a different shade of green. This one's more like lemony lime, and this one's softer. Okay, so the next one is 6/0 soft yellow glass seed bead, 1 ounce. Oh, those are really pretty. Almost a cream color. You know how there's white pearls and there's cream pearls? I actually think the cream ones are prettier. That's what this makes me think of. They're very gorgeous. And then 46 by 20mm birds on branch, silver metal link, 3 links. 3? That seems like a lot. And I'm saying this because they are very big. Yeah. They don't look that big on the box. They're so cute though, because look, there's actually flowers on the branches. See the little flowers? I think I have something kind of like this, but mine is just sitting on like what looks like a dead branch. But these actually have, you know, flowers on them, like cherry blossoms or something. Those are really cute. And they're very heavy, by the way. They're thick. They're not thin. They're not like filigree. They are thick metal connectors. They're very nice. Okay, so I like the quality of those. And then after that, I'm really excited about these connectors. Both of these are awesome. The next thing is 30 by 24 millimeter yellow flower silver metal link 2 links. Yellow flower. Whoa! So I don't know if this is enameling or some kind of coating. They're so cute. Oh wow, there's a resin. See this shiny, shiny? I think it's resin, or unless it's like really thick. It might be just enamel. I guess it would be enamel. Those are really awesome. I love these. Oh my gosh, these in pink or purple or blue. But they have a beautiful, I'm not a yellow fan, but I have to say that these look gold. They're a golden yellow. They're very pretty. Now, these would be awesome for necklace connectors. I all the time make necklaces like this. Okay, so this would be the top where the chain would come out. Right, this is the top of the flower, and then that would be it upside down. But have a chain or even cord, because this is so thick. This loop is huge. You can put a lark's head knot on here and put the cord on your neck. But the front of this right here have 3 strands of beads. That would be beautiful. Alright, so I just had a phone call, and I think I was talking about how I've made lots of designs with connectors like these, and I'll put a picture up of the design idea I'm talking about in case you don't understand. Alright, so we have these here left, and it says 16 by 14 millimeter flower silver metal link 4 links. There's 4 of them. That's awesome. They are one-sided, but if you want, you can make this reversible. If you have those flat back stones, you can actually glue it on the back of this, and then you have a little reversible charm. Get what I'm saying? Because if you just fill that in with one of those faceted stones, or even a round one, it would make it double-sided. Okay, so those are epic. I love those. And now we have the kit left. And this comes in every box, which really is still a surprise for me because it makes this subscription really awesome and stand out from others because they do this every time. Okay, we have lobster claw clasp, crimp beads, head pins, jump rings, bead string wire, earring findings, elastic cord, and memory wire. So that's what we got in this month's box. It's a really happy, fun box. I think it's so cute. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar. The theme is called Spring Blooms. Alright, so this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.